How to scan a Wi-Fi QR code with your laptop. Hello guys, welcome back to this quick tutorial video. Today I'm gonna show you that how you can scan the Wi-Fi QR code with your laptop. So if you got any QR code of your Wi-Fi and you have to scan it from your laptop, so this might be helpful. So at first you have to capture that picture on your mobile and you have to share it from your mobile to your laptop. So on this process, you should have the mobile data connection. So simply you have to open the hotspot from your mobile. So after you connect it to your mobile data connection by hotspot to your systems, you have to set the picture on your laptop. So like you can see, I have this QR on my laptop. So after you connect it to your mobile device hotspot, you will have to open any browser from your laptop. So simply I'm opening the Chrome browser. And from here, you'll have to type QReader on the search field. QReader. Okay, so on the first, you will see the website like QReader online QR code reader. So simply you have to click on it. And from here, you'll have to upload that picture. So may want to extract the Wi-Fi password. So simply you have to choose that file. Okay, so I'm selecting this picture. All right, so after adding the picture on this website, the website will directly extracted the Wi-Fi name and password from here. So like you can see, the Wi-Fi ads means the Wi-Fi name is this and it's under the section P. So it is the password from here. So likewise, you can also scan the Wi-Fi QR code with your laptop. So this might be helpful to you. But make sure you are connected to a network for this process. So if this video was helpful to you, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon over there for more short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a good day.